Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to place an order on AliExpress. First you have to create your account or log into your already existing one. Then you have to browse AliExpress application to find specific product that you want to order. You can explore your homepage or go to search bar at the top of your screen to search for specific product. So let's find this one, and you want to tap on item that you're interested in, and first of all let's check seller's rating. So in order to do that I need to go to seller's page. I tap name of the store below the photos, and at the top of my screen I see percentage of the positive feedback, and you always want to aim for at least 95% of the positive feedback. Okay, so let's go to this item, and first of all you should look through these photos and videos that seller provides you, and then go to reviews section, and you have to pay big attention to those reviews with photos because they can expose real quality of the item. And then go to description of the item, see some product details, also its specifications. So here is all the information about the product, and also you need to read description that seller provides you. Okay, so now let's go back here at the top, and now I can select color, I can select size and also quantity. So now I can press add to cart button or buy now. I will use buy now button to proceed to checkout page, and here you can select your delivery service. So there are two options: delivery to an existing address or pickup points. Next you should set delivery address, so you can add a new address right here. You can add it to your already existing one, or you can completely delete your shipping address. And please make sure that your delivery address is correct. Then scroll down to payment section. So here you can add your card if you haven't done that to this moment. And also here are many options to choose from, and tap confirm button. And also here is the summary section where you can see total amount that you have to pay. Also you can apply some coins if you have your coins. So here you can select whether you want to use your coins or you don't want to use any coins this time, and also apply promo codes if you have your promo code. And finally, when everything looks great and you're ready to order, press pay now button and confirm your order. And after payment you can track your item in my orders section until it's delivered. But for example, if you have some issues with your order, you can open a dispute to get a refund or replacement. So that's how we can place an order on AliExpress. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.